Hey guys, today I'm going to be testing, this is the final episode of, well, me testing solders. And you might say it's a bit unfair because I'm using flux with this one, but no, it isn't. It came with the solder, so I'm using it like that. Using all of them the way that they came, so it is fair. It is fair. Now, let's start off with the electrical silver bearing Rosencore solder, lead-free edition. Why did I do that accent? Okay, let's start off with this. Let me unroll a bit. There it is. Heating the wire. Blowing it under. That's pretty good. Tapping the iron, wiping off the iron. Okay, now time to look at the joint. That is a surface joint, it looks like. Well, no, it went in a bit, so it's not completely a surface joint. It's more of a medium joint, so that worked pretty well. Time to test the flux solder and see who is the winner of this great championship. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna take the solder off the flux. Apply a bit of flux on the solder. There we go. Gonna brush the flux on. Okay, so let's try this. Let me get this a bit centered on screen because this is the grand finale. Let me get a decent length of solder because that's a bit of wire. Here we go. That flowed extremely well. Just apply a bit more solder. And there we go. Iron's cleaned. And let's look at that. I think we have a winner. That flowed all the way through, under and inside of the wire, it looks like. So, the winner is this. So, it's the specialty flux that I'm using. Well, specialty solder kit. And it works perfectly, so we'll see you on the next episode when I figure out, is flux needed or is it not needed? And let's see if it makes the difference in the next episode. See you guys. Bye.